So welcome everybody to the executive summary, the first video of a group of videos that I'm doing for you, all about the pre-seen for ACCA SBL December 25, which I'm sure you know is about Levwell Hotels, who are a 4-star hotel chain operating 35 different hotels across the fictional country of Estland. Now, each hotel in this Levwell Hotels brand is owner managed. They're similar in size, about 80 rooms, but they are designed individually rather than the standard chain template. They're located in rural and coastal areas, so not for business guests, more for leisure guests. Moving on to the Levwell brand, well, first of all, you've got their high quality accommodation, strong guest experience, personalised locally inspired hotel design, and employee driven service culture. So they're not like your normal chain, are they? They're very local, very high quality, very personalised. But they are owned 80% institutional ownership, and they've grown organically and they're looking to expand. Okay, so let's see that in context. What's the industry context? Well, the Estland hotel sector is highly competitive, dominated as it normally is by large chains. There's potential recession around the corner with inflation and therefore rising operating costs, all of which will affect our Levwell hotels as well. Now, demand is shifting, so we've got to keep up with demand, we've got to maintain our market share, and that means we're going to have to be price sensitive because our leisure travellers, the people who we look after, are price sensitive. There's things like Airbnb, we're suffering from staff shortages. There may be technology expectations we need to keep up with, people with, or the chains with their digital integration and apps, and we need to be aware of the sustainability considerations that many people take into account nowadays. Okay, so that's the context. What are the strategic challenges then that we face? Well, hotels in general, they need to keep occupancy at around 70%. They need to keep the right price in order to maintain their market share. They need to get the service quality right, guest satisfaction. They need to keep costs under control, as we've seen as inflation worries, and they need to be aware of cyber and data security. So that's just the basic overview of this pre-seen. This is the first of many videos. The next one will be on the SWOT analysis, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats that Levwell face.